Look at them all fighting over this donut and this lemon bread. Damn, that bucket's right in the way. Oh, I missed. I dropped the camera almost. Or my phone. Damn it, where they at? Right there's a little flock of them. They're like all over the place. Them dudes are gangsters. Them dudes are with that stuff. Oh, there we go. Yay. All over there. You found the lemon bread over there. Anyways, what are you doing today? I gotta go get total reconstruction on my teeth. I need help, donations, anything like that. Yeah. Plow truck dumping ice, or salt perhaps. Pushing, moving through the slow motion.